Hi kids, I am Humpty Train. Let's learn about fruits. Now come with me. Now search the mango. Hi mango, see there mango is sit on bench.
Hello Humpty Train, may I come with you?
Look on the tree, apple is singing over there. Hey apple, are you come with us? Yes, of course. See there, Strawberry is dancing behind the lake. Let's talk with her. Hi Strawberry, are you come with us?
Oh, why not?
Look there, Orange is coming from Mushroom House. Let's welcome to him.
Hi friends, I also want to go with you.
Gava is playing on the road. Let's meet him.
I am tired after playing. May I come with you? Stop Humpty Train, I am very sad after hanging the tree. I want to go with my all fruits friends.
Humpty Train, always welcome. You don't be sad. Let's go with us.